1.5 UML 1. What is UML? UML, Unified Modeling Language, is a global standard for diagrams and associated notation used in object-oriented software development. UML is administered by an organization called the Object Management Group, OMG. Two types of diagrams. UML includes 13 types of diagrams as listed below. These are used in conjunction with system development details and diagrams that are selected as required. 1. Structure diagrams. Illustrate the static structure of the system. Class diagram. Object diagram. Component diagram. Composite structure diagram. Package diagram. Deployment diagram. Two. Behavior diagrams. Show the behavior of the system. Use case diagram. Activity diagram. State machine diagram. 3. Interaction diagrams. Indicate control sequences and object handover procedures. Sequence diagram. Communication diagram. Timing diagram. Interaction overview diagram. Let us now examine in more detail the features and uses of the most commonly used diagrams, the class diagram, sequence diagram, object diagram, state machine diagram, and use case diagram. Three main UML diagrams. 1. Class diagram. Object-Oriented Programming, OOP, is the name given to the programming paradigm based on the object-oriented approach. In OOP, each program is defined as a class. Thus, the class structure is expressed as a class diagram. Connections between classes are called relationships. In some cases, a role name is also provided to indicate the rank and role of a class in relation to other related classes. 2. Sequence diagram. The sequence diagram is a chronological representation of messages exchanged between objects. Messages are pieces of information exchanged during interaction between objects. Whereas a class diagram does not show the order of processing when a program is executed, the sequence diagram shows how the program operates, in terms of which methods it calls for processing. Three. Object diagram. Object diagrams are used to illustrate specific objects. The object diagram for Mr. Taro is a member of Group A is shown in this illustration. Four. State machine diagram. State machine diagrams, previously known as state chart diagrams, had long been used in the development of control software such as embedded systems and networks. Five. Use case diagram. The use case diagram illustrates relationships between system functions and the users of those functions. Users and external systems are depicted as actors, while the functions supplied to the actors are the use cases.